In today's video, I'm going to teach you what happens if you exceed your DocuSign eSignature plan. First, let's talk about what exceeding your plan actually looks like. When you've gone over your allowance, DocuSign will show clear warning messages such as, you've reached your envelope limit, signature quota exceeded, cannot send more documents, or contact admin/upgrade plan. These usually appear if you've sent more envelopes than your plan allows, sent to a large number of recipients, automated a lot of sending through the API, or if multiple users in your account are all sending documents at once. Remember, an envelope is the package you send out for signatures, and each one counts towards your quota. Now, the immediate consequences. Once you hit your quota, you won't be able to send any new envelopes or signature requests until the limit resets. DocuSign won't quietly extend your plan in the background. It doesn't auto top up without you taking action. At that point, you'll need to upgrade your plan, purchase additional envelopes, or wait for your billing cycle to reset. Depending on your contract, you might also see overage charges if your account has envelope overage billing enabled. Some enterprise agreements include this, so it's worth knowing your terms. The good news is that your envelope count resets with your billing period, monthly or annually, bringing you back to your plan's standard limits so you can send again. If you want to check where you stand, log into DocuSign Admin and open the billing or usage area. There, you can view your envelope count, user count, API call usage, and your billing cycle dates. That snapshot makes it easy to see what you've used and what's left, so you can plan before you hit a hard stop. If you're already over or close to it, you have three practical options. You can wait for your quota to refresh on your billing date. You can upgrade in plans and billing to a higher tier, which typically increases envelopes, users, access to premium support, API allowances, and advanced features, and those higher limits usually apply right away. Or, if you only go over occasionally, buy a pack of additional envelopes like plus 10, plus 25, or plus 50 without changing tiers. That can be the most cost-effective short-term fix. To prevent this from happening again, track your usage weekly, set notifications when you hit milestones like 70% or 85% of your quota, and optimize how you send. Batch documents when it makes sense, group signatures, use templates, and cut down on redundant sends. That's it. Now you know exactly what to expect and how to stay ahead of your DocuSign limits.